So we must make them the same. Remember now what we said the other time, you can't divide both sides by cos and then change it to tan. Okay, you can't do that. Why? Because they don't have the same angle. This one is 2x minus 5, this one is x minus 35. So because they don't have the same angle, you can't divide by cos and change it to tan. So what you need to do is use the co-ratios. Okay? So what we're going to say is make this one sine 90 minus x minus 35. Okay, so we just changed the cos. If it was cos x, you can change it to sine 90 minus x, right? So if it's cos x minus 35, you can change it to sine 90 minus x minus 35. Okay, you understand? So this is like your angle, so it's 90 minus the angle, and then it becomes sine. Okay, so that means we can say therefore 2x minus 5 is equal to this, which is 90 minus x plus 35 when you multiply the negative in. So this one is now equal to this one. Okay, then if you simplify that, you're going to get therefore 2x minus 5 is equal to 90 plus 35, so it's 125 minus x. Okay, now we have to look at, now the important thing here now is where is sign positive? Of course, this one is positive and this one is positive. There's no negative in front of this one. So it's positive. So where is sign positive? In the first and the second quadrant. So when you put the angle equal to the angle, you're looking at the first quadrant. Okay, so this now what we have here is for the first quadrant. The angle is equal to the angle in the first quadrant. And then you can say, obviously for this one, you can say plus 360 times n element z. And let's first simplify this one before we start with the other option. So we can say therefore, if I take the x over, it's going to be 2x plus x will be 3x. And then if I take the negative 5 over, it's plus 5, so it's going to be 130 is equal to 130 plus 360 times n element z. And then we divide everything by 3. Okay, so we're going to get x equal to 43,33 plus 120 times n element z. So there's my one option. Okay, this is my one answer. X is equal to 43,33 plus 120 times n. I just divide by 3 everywhere in the end. Now let's look at the second option. The second option is, if I say this angle must be equal to this, but we simplify it to this, then I can say, or my second option is that 2x minus 5 must be equal to 180 minus bracket 125 minus x. Okay, think about it. It's either the angle is equal to the angle, or the angle is equal to 180 minus the other angle. Okay, so that is, so you start there again with this part. And right, but now 180 minus theta to get it in the second quadrant. Okay, and then you just put in the plus 360 times n element z. And when you simplify this, you're going to have 2x minus 5, 180 minus 125 plus x plus 360 times n. Okay, and then when you simplify that, so we are there now. So now when you simplify this, take the x over, so 2x minus x gives you x. Negative 5 goes over, it's plus 5. Okay, so it's 185 minus 125, so it's 60 plus 360 times n element z. So there's your second answer. So there's your two answers.